What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, let me introduce that I am Tanisha and we are going to be creating over here a lot of fashion videos, haul videos, aesthetic videos and also beauty videos. So you can click the subscribe button down below and also the bell icon. You do not want to miss out on a lot of videos coming from this channel. And also do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account as I have been creating a lot of pictures and videos and a lot of stuff over there as well. You're gonna be loving it in my Instagram account as well, and I personally love to connect with you guys on Instagram because it's like a one-to-one chat that you can have over there. I mean, I know all of my viewers are from India, and definitely if you're in India you have someone going on. Bruh. And today's video is going to have a lot of hygiene tips, especially for summers, and not really of like personal hygiene, but like overall hygiene I want to talk about. I want to touch every topic possible. And let's just start with obviously the first thing that you do. No, not the first thing that you do. A very simple shower. Yes, guys, it's very important to use very nice fragranted body shower gels for your shower routine. It's actually a must, and the most important thing is that in a shower gel you do not have to directly share it with somebody, so there is this hygiene quality about shower gel, and also they can give you so much of freshness with so much of good fragrance. There's a shower gel that I used to use from the Body Shop, and that is kind of more on the expensive side, and right now I've kind of shifted to this Plum Goodness a shower gel. I have been loving it. I've been crushing on it because the fragrance is just so good. It lathers up so nicely. And apart from that, if you want even more affordable one, you can definitely stick to Fiamma Devils. They have such a good range and so many varieties. The best part is that when you buy it from Amazon and all of that, they have so much of sale going on. Like, do not purchase it on MRP, always get it from online. I would say this next one is so freaking important. It is related to the shower routine only, but you need to make sure that you're using a loofah. It is so freaking important to use a loofah. It's not only a good exfoliant for your skin, but also it like kind of removes so much of the dirt that you cannot do only when you're using the gel or only when you're using the soap. So you need to make sure that you're using a loofah, and make sure that you're not sharing it with anybody. We know that we all are at home right now, but make sure that you have your own personal loofah. Everybody should use their own loofahs. And next up is right after you get out of the shower, now you need to make sure that you smell good even throughout the day. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a good perfume and a good deodorant even if you are at home. When it comes to deodorant, I will stick by Nivea for sure. That the one that I've been using is from Nivea is actually the flower fragrance or something like that. So you need to make sure that you're using Nivea. This is the one that you can actually use on your underarms and it's not going to cause any kind of irritation. And this one is in a very affordable range. That's why I'm talking about Nivea. Or apart from that, you can also use a roll-on that you get from Nivea for your underarms. And apart from underarms, you can use any perfume or deodorant that you like, your taste, your preferences. You have it all. Perfumes are like a wide range of perfumes. You can get anything, a range of products from Amazon and Nykaa, everywhere you have it. And you can also stick to body mists. The very affordable piece that you can have is the one from Layer Water Girl. It's very inexpensive, and it has a good amount of quantity. So and apart from that, if you're traveling out, if you're somebody not like me and a few of other people who are only staying at home, if you're traveling out, you should definitely carry with yourself a travel size perfume. When it comes to travel size, portable size of perfumes, I always stick to Miniso. Like, I have almost 3-4 maybe all the variants of this Miniso perfume, and they are so handy. You can literally keep it inside your wallet also and not pull. Next one, in summers you need to take care of yourself, like special care of your intimate hygiene, which is very important. And for that, you need to make sure that you're using good quality pads, sanitary napkins, and the ones that I've been using recently that I got my hands on are going to be the one from Everteen. So these are the sanitary napkins that you have from Everteen, and the best thing is that they have two different variants. This one is actually a blue color one that you can see, and this one is actually this pink color packet that you see over here. This one is the cottony soft variant, and this one is the cottony dry. There's not much of a difference. This cottony soft and cottony dry thingy is only about the top layer that is used for these pads. The ones that I use is in this XL size one. This has 20 pads for only 95 rupees, which is quite a good price. And the best thing is that it has 8 layer protection. And apart from that, the very distinct thing that I love about this is that it is made up of neem and safflower. Yes guys, and neem, I am 100% sure that all of you guys know that they have antibacterial properties, anti-irritant properties, and because of this you are not going to have the problem of rashes or irritation or redness around that area, and also tanning around that area, because we've been using pads for a long time, and because of this use over a long period of time, it causes a lot of tanning, and that will not happen in this case. As you can see that it has wide wings, and also it's very long because obviously it's of the XL size. Let me tell you guys, I can literally touch and tell you that this is literally cottony soft top layer, which is so good for your skin. It does have the gel technology that works to lock your bleeding. I just don't like that synthetic kind of feeling down there, and this one is definitely a solution to that problem for sure. And the links for both of the variants are going to be down below. You can check them out from the link and you will thank me later. You can at least try them once. You will not regret this, guys. Let's next just talk about our skin. The skin can literally act so different and react so different in different seasons of the year, and when it is summer, it tends to get a lot more oily, and that is why it picks up a lot of dirt as well. First thing that you have to wear sunscreen. It is very important to protect your skin. Neutrogena or Lakme, or it is also sometimes from Bioderma. They have a very good consistency, the Bioderma one, so you should definitely check that out. Because of this all heat and dirt coming to my skin and my face, what I like to do is to do a good nice treatment to my face once in every week. So for that you can use nice sheet masks. They are pretty affordable. The ones that I like are the ones from Innisfree, and also the ones from Garnier are also very good. They have different variants. They have really nice products. And also there's this one from L'Oreal which has this hyaluronic sheet mask, which is so good. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, and it's very good for your skin. It gives you the required hydration. And coming to the next thing that I do for my skin is you can definitely go and get yourself a jade roller, guys. So when I use this sheet mask, I'd like to use jade rollers, or without the sheet mask also. What I do is I take a good amount of moisturizer on my face, and then I keep my jade roller inside the refrigerator for at least like a good 10 to 15 minutes only, and then I take it out and I use it on my face. It calms down the whole skin. If you are a person who is actually going out and leaving the house and going to this heat and summer, when you come back home in the nighttime routine, you can definitely add jade rollers or gua sha or something like that. It will calm down your skin so much more, trust me guys. And they are of such affordable range. I will leave the link down below, and also I will leave one link down below where you can get the gua sha and the jade roller all together. I've very recently got the jade roller, but I'm telling you, it's actually making a difference for myself. And the next thing, oh my god, how did I forget about this one? But hydration is the most important thing. It does not come under hygiene, but it definitely is the most important thing when it comes to summer, and it is literally not directly but indirectly linked to your skin, how your skin feels, how you feel. You need to make sure that you are nicely hydrated, and not only through water. You can get so many seasonal fruits right now which are infused with water, watermelons and a lot of other stuff. So you should definitely take fruity nice seasonal fruits as well as hydrate yourself. And one thing that I like to do in this summertime is definitely the detox of water. It's not much of a drill over here. All you have to do is take few slices of maybe orange or any kind of fruit that you like. You can put it inside your water, and it detoxes the water and gives a nice flavor to it, and then you can drink that water the next day. And the last thing that I want to say is definitely stick to what is called the cotton clothes. Cotton material is damn important, guys, and especially if you're outside and you're working, you need to make sure that you're using good quality cotton material clothes. It will make you feel so breathable. It will make your day feel good and nice. You will not be irritated less, and also you will not have a lot of underarm sweat and all of that, which can be really unhygienic. So when you use all of these thick material clothes, it makes you feel more hot, and it sweats, your body sweats even more, and it causes a lot of like underarm germs and underarm that sweating. And that is it with today's video. I hope I gave you good points that you can remember, and all the links would be down below, whatever products that I talked to you about. And all of these products are very affordable range. I make sure that I chose all the products that would be affordable, so that all of you guys can get your hands on them. And until next time guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I love you, and bye bye. And